Hi everyone. You're looking at the week 2 module, and I just want to go over some of the key assignments for this week. Basically, as you know, our grammar focus this week is we're going to continue with verbs, and we're looking at the issue of consistency. And what that means is that you're staying in the same time frame as you are writing, and you're not shifting back and forth unless you signal. Okay, so I'm going to show you a little chart. So in this chart, you can see that when we write, we're in either the present time frame, the past time frame, or the future time frame, depending on what our subject is. And when you're in a certain time frame, you can shift around in the different present tense verb tenses, or in the past you can shift around between these different verb tenses, and in the future you can shift around in these verb tenses. Of course, you know that we know that we use simple present for facts and present perfect. For example, if I say I have been here since 2010, so since plus specific time is a present perfect. And then if I say today or now, then I'm going to go into the present progressive and present perfect progressive. We haven't talked about that, but you know, it's like I have been reading this book since 9 a.m. this morning. Okay, so you can move around in those tenses, but the whole point that I'm trying to get across to you here is you use time words again when you switch between these time frames. So let me give you a little example. You can't really see this whole word, but it says yesterday I rode, here's my time word, yesterday I rode my bike around the neighborhood. The sun was shining, so I'm in the past time frame, and yet I'm showing how this was happening. Okay, today I am reading a book. I'm using present progressive to show that this action is going on. Tomorrow I'll go for a walk if it's not raining. Okay, so notice I've used these signal words to shift around between my time frames. And this graphic, by the way, is in your week 2 module. Continuing in the module, I have put a lot of verb tense review materials for extra practice in here. Please definitely look at that chart that I just went over and then watch this video, and that's shown in your assignments. But these review materials are here for you too, because some people are stronger than others with their verbs. I strongly recommend that you look at this verb tense chart with hyperlinks, because it's connected to whatever tense you want to look at. It connects you to materials to study it. And then this is the video I made, again, talking about using time words as signals, but with a this just shows the simple present, or I'm sorry, the present time frame. Again, please practice if your verbs are weak, and I will give you feedback as we go along. Like, I think you really need to work on the verbs. Okay. Again, if we just look here, you've got a mini quiz. It's just 5 points. We have a reading assignment this week. You want to click on that. And we have our first journal, kindness, and I'm going to click on this just to show you that it's very important part of this assignment. It's not just writing the journal, but after you've finished, I want you to underline all your verbs and highlight all your time words. It's very important, not just writing a journal, but I want you to highlight those time words and underline the verbs. We're going to be doing this in our timed writes, which are how I'll be evaluating your writing. And, we're practicing the skills, building on the skills that we've been learning since week 1. Okay, I just wanted to point that out.